For the last 2 decades, we have been the best kept secret of the supplement industry. We have kept our heads down and worked. We pioneered full label transparency and full therapeutic doses because we believe that truly hard work requires truly effective tools. 2 decades is a long time to commit to one pursuit, but we will never waver from the core principles that make us who we are. We never use proprietary blends, so you know exactly what you're putting into your body. We never add fillers or fluff, just what your body needs to perform, nothing it doesn't. We use third-party lab testing, so there is no doubt in our minds that our supplements are as pure as possible. Fuel your body with honest supplements, and together, we can make the next 2 decades as productive as the last.
Hey everyone, wanted to give you a closer look at the NutraBio Creatine Monohydrate. So this is a brand new sealed container. I'm going to open this up for you. Comes off nice and easy. And I got the powder there. We do have a scoop hidden within inside here. So this is a 30 serving container if you take 5 grams, which is the normal amount for people. Powder feels good. Feels like it will dissolve very well. And we have some information here. It recommends you do it in 16 to 32 ounces of water. I personally don't use that much, but you can do whatever you'd like. It'll just have you do it once a day. And it doesn't list any other ingredients. The only ingredient is their creatine monohydrate, which is nice to see. Just hope this helped, and just wanted to give you a quick look at this.
Índio come xota, índio come cu, índio come xota.
Your creatine sucks. Gains in Bulk Instantized Creatine is the world's first 100% fully soluble creatine monohydrate. Since it's not fully soluble, your creatine isn't fully making its way into the muscle cells, causing negative side effects like bloating, excess water retention, and chalky aftertastes that are commonly found in other creatines. The choice is clear. Make the switch to Gains in Bulk Instantized Creatine today.
What's up guys, today I'm reviewing Creatine Monohydrate by NutraBio. Creatine monohydrate is one of the most effective supplements on the market for building strength and endurance, but do keep in mind that you have to stay hydrated while taking this product in order to maximize its effectiveness. This is unflavored, but I would recommend mixing it with a protein shake because when mixed with just water, it can be a little chalky. This is micronized, however, so it does absorb very nicely, so you're not going to notice clumps in your water if you just mix it with water, but again, the protein shake is probably a little bit better. This is a 150 gram container and it has 35 gram servings, which is all you need to get the most out of this product. I highly recommend you check it out.
Hey everyone, wanted to give you my thoughts on the NutraBio Creatine Monohydrate. So I've been using this for a bit, and I gotta say it's a pretty quality creatine. So this is the unflavored, so it's just gonna be a white powder you can mix into anything. I know an unflavored powder doesn't sound that appetizing, but it hasn't really been a big deal. It mixes in really well. I have about like 12 ounces of water here. It's definitely drinkable. Like you can mix this in, doesn't need to be flavored. I'll show you how this mixes up. So no creatine is going to mix in perfectly, but I gotta say it looks pretty good to me. I'm able to drink this. There's not too many gritties or anything. You can see through that it does dissolve pretty well. I take this every day. If you're looking for a good quality creatine, just creatine monohydrate, I would definitely give this brand a consideration.